Interior Designer AI application helps you instantly visualize and redesign your space using artificial intelligence. Simply upload photos of your room or furniture, point where items should go, and choose your favorite style and colors. The AI will generate a professionally styled interior concept in seconds, making it easy to explore ideas, experiment with layouts, and bring your dream space to life. Let me walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Upload photos. Add images of furniture, rooms, or decor. You don't need all 4 slots. Step 2. Point directions. Tap the arrow icon on one photo, then tap another photo to tell the AI where items belong. Or you can just upload the room or space. Step 3. Select style. Pick an artistic theme and a color filter for the perfect studio finish. Step 4. Start designing. I have another example of how to design your space. Step 1. Upload photos. Add images of an empty room. In this case, I uploaded a photo of my basement bedroom. Next, you can add a note. Step 3. Select style. Choose an artistic theme and a color filter to achieve the perfect studio finish. Then, start designing. I'll provide a few examples by the end of this video.